magnetic, magnetic, magnetic.
This refers to something that can attract or pull other things towards it, often without touching them. Here is a sample sentence. The compass needle was drawn to the North Pole, demonstrating its magnetic properties.
Magnetism, magnetism, magnetism.
It's a force that pulls certain objects towards each other, even if they're not touching. Here is a sample sentence. The strong magnetism of the refrigerator's magnetic strip was able to hold up multiple shopping lists and reminders without any trouble.
Magnificent, magnificent, magnificent.
This word describes something that is impressive, beautiful, or grand in a way that inspires wonder or admiration. Here is a sample sentence. The grandeur and beauty of the Taj Mahal made it a truly magnificent sight to behold. Whoa. In this sentence, magnificent is used to describe something, the Taj Mahal, as being impressive, beautiful, and awe-inspiring.
Magnify, magnify, magnify.
To make something appear bigger or more noticeable, so people can see it clearly. Here's a sample sentence. The scientist used a microscope to magnify the tiny cells on the slide, allowing her to study their structure in greater detail.
Magnitude, magnitude, magnitude.
It's a measure of how big or strong something is compared to others like it. Here's a sample sentence. The earthquake's magnitude was estimated to be 7.8 on the Richter scale, causing widespread destruction and chaos in the affected area. In this sentence, magnitude refers to the size or intensity of the earthquake.
Maintain, maintain, maintain.
To keep something in good condition, so it stays the same or works properly. Here's a sample sentence. The company will maintain its headquarters in New York City for at least another 5 years. In this example, maintain means to keep or continue something, in this case, the headquarters, in a particular state or location.
Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance.
It's the act of keeping something in good condition by doing regular checks, repairs, and upkeep to prevent problems from happening or getting worse. Here is a sample sentence. The landlord hired a team to perform regular maintenance on the building's heating system to prevent costly repairs in the future. This sentence demonstrates how the word maintenance can be used in context, referring to the act of performing routine tasks or inspections to keep something, in this case a building's heating system, in good working order.
Maize, maize, maize.
This type of plant is a kind of grain that grows on tall stalks with big yellow ears. It's often used as food for people and animals. Here's a sample sentence. The farmer harvested a bountiful crop of maize from his fields, which he would sell at the local market.
Majesty, majesty, majesty.
This word refers to something or someone that is very impressive, powerful, and dignified. It's often used to describe people who are in positions of authority or have great importance. Here is a sample sentence. The grandeur and majesty of the ancient castle, with its towering spires and sweeping architecture, left all who visited in awe. In this sentence, majesty refers to the impressive and dignified quality of the castle's appearance. It conveys a sense of grandeur, nobility, and awe-inspiring beauty.
Major, major, major.
This word refers to something that is very important or significant, often considered first or most prominent among others. Here is a sample sentence. The university's major in engineering has a strong reputation and attracts top students from around the world. In this example, major refers to a specific academic program or field of study.
Majority, majority, majority.
It's when more people agree on something than disagree. Here is a sample sentence. The majority of students in the class voted to go on the school trip. In this example, the majority refers to more than half of the students. In this case, 51% or more. indicating that they are the dominant group.
Malady, malady, malady.
This word refers to an illness or sickness that someone has. It's a general term for any kind of health problem. Here is a sample sentence. The actress was forced to cancel her tour due to a lingering malady that had been affecting her vocal cords.
Malaise, malaise, malaise.
It's a feeling of being unwell or unhappy, but you can't quite put your finger on what's wrong. It's like having a nagging sense that something is off, but you don't know what it is. Here is a sample sentence. After a few days of feeling unwell, she began to experience a general malaise that made it difficult to concentrate on her work. In this example, malaise refers to a vague, unpleasant feeling of being unwell or out of sorts, often without any specific symptoms.
Malice, malice, malice.
This is an intention to harm or cause trouble, often on purpose, and with a bad feeling towards someone. Here is a sample sentence. The hacker's malicious intent was clear as he deliberately deleted all of his company's financial records, causing irreparable damage to their reputation and bottom line. In this example, malice refers to the intention or desire to cause harm or injury to someone or something.
Malicious, malicious, malicious.
This word means doing something on purpose to hurt or cause trouble for someone else, often with bad intentions. Here is a sample sentence. The hacker's malicious intent was clear when he created a virus that destroyed thousands of computers. In this example, malicious means having or showing a wish to do harm to others.
Manifest, manifest, manifest.
This word means to show or prove something clearly so that everyone can see or understand it. Here is a sample sentence. The pilot's voice came over the intercom, announcing that our flight had finally reached cruising altitude and was manifest on the radar screens. In this example, manifest means to be officially recorded or listed as present or accounted for.
Manifestation, manifestation, manifestation.
It's when something you want or imagine becomes real because you focused on it strongly, often with feeling and intention. Here is a sample sentence. The charity's fundraising campaign was a manifestation of the community's generosity and willingness to help those in need. In this example, manifestation refers to the visible expression or result of something, in this case, the community's generosity. It implies that the campaign was a tangible representation of the community's values and spirit.
Manifesto, manifesto, manifesto.
It's a written statement that explains someone's ideas, goals, or principles. It's like a public declaration of what they believe in and want to achieve. Here is a sample sentence. The politician's manifesto, which promised to increase funding for education and reduce taxes, was widely read by voters in the days leading up to the election. In this example, manifesto refers to a written statement or document that outlines a person's or group's goals, policies, and principles.
Manipulate, manipulate, manipulate.
To influence or control someone's thoughts, feelings, or actions by using clever tricks or persuasion, often to get what you want from them. Here's a sample sentence. The politician was accused of manipulating public opinion by releasing misleading information about his opponent's record. In this example, manipulating means to influence or control people's thoughts and opinions in a way that is not entirely honest or transparent.
Mansion, mansion, mansion.
A very large house, often with many rooms and luxurious features, that is usually owned by someone wealthy or important. Here's a sample sentence. The wealthy businessman's sprawling mansion on the hill was famous throughout the city for its grandeur and opulence.